Welcome to the English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, November 6th, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm fine, thanks. I had a long meeting yesterday, you.
I'm good. A bit busy with sales calls. Want some coffee?
Yes, please. Black for me.
Here you go. Did you see the news about the U.S. and nuclear tests?
Yes, I did. President Trump says the U.S. will start testing nuclear weapons again after a 30-year stop.
That's wild. I mean, why now? It could make other countries nervous.
True. It might change how we talk about energy and safety in projects.
Yeah, for sales, it could affect tech deals. Big companies might worry about rules.
I think it shows big changes in politics. What do you think it means for the world?
I don't know. Scary, right? But let's hope it stays calm.
Yes, it's controversial. Some people say it breaks old agreements.
Exactly. Like the test ban treaty from 1996. The U.S. stopped tests then?
Now Trump wants to resume. He said it minutes before meeting Xi Jinping.
Wow, timing is everything. Does it help or hurt talks with China?
Hard to say. But in our office, we deal with global teams. This could make things tense.
True. My sales clients in Asia might ask questions. I need to be ready.
As a project manager, I worry about supply chains. Nuclear news affects energy prices.
Prices go up, costs go up, not good for budgets.
Right? Let's see what happens next week.
Yeah, enough on that. Have you heard about NVIDIA?
Oh, yes. NVIDIA hit $5 trillion in value. First company ever?
It's amazing. They did it in just 3 months from 4 trillion.
All because of AI chips. Everyone wants them now.
For sales, AI makes demos faster. But is it too fast? The rise is crazy.
It is controversial. Some say it changes jobs too quick.
True. But good for business, I guess. More money for tech.
In my projects, we use AI tools. It helps a lot with planning.
Planning meetings. AI can suggest agendas.
Yes, and track progress. NVIDIA's chips power that.
Cool. I saw their stock jump big time.
From niche graphics to AI backbone, that's their story.
Backbone of global AI. We all use it without knowing.
Exactly. But valuation at 5 trillion, is it a bubble?
Maybe, or real growth? Tech boom keeps going.
For our company, it's good. We might buy more NVIDIA tech?
Sales could pitch AI solutions better now.
True, it motivates the team.
Yeah. Now what about New York City? Did you see the mayor news?
Yes, Zohar Mamdani is the new mayor. He won the election.
From nowhere to mayor. That's exciting, but some people argue about it.
His rise was so fast in Democratic politics.
CNN says he beat Andrew Cuomo. Historic win.
First Muslim mayor at 34 years old.
Young guy leading the biggest city. Impressive.
He focused on working class issues like housing and jobs.
For sales in New York, it might mean new chances. Or more taxes.
Maybe, but good for society, fresh ideas.
I like that. Cities need change.
Obama even called him, praised the campaign.
Really? That's big support.
Yes, Mamdani's ideas won't stay in New York.
Could spread to other places. Like our projects.
As project manager, I see how city policies affect offices.
Rent freezes or green streets. Sounds positive.
But some worry about his experience. He's young.
True, state assemblyman to mayor, big jump.
Voters chose him anyway, for hope and homes.
His speech after win was full of energy.
Roaring crowd and Nick, Democrats won big.
Good night for them. Across key races,
It changes the game for urban planning.
our New York clients might talk about it in calls.
Yes, we need to follow local news too.
Anyway, enough news for one coffee break.
True, my cup is empty.
Mine too, time to head back.
What's your first task today?
A sales meeting at 10, you?
Project update with the team.
Sounds busy, good luck.
Thanks, you too.
See you later, Alex. Have a good day.
You too, David. Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.